Hello children, welcome to 5th standard English. Today our topic conjunction revision.
Children, let us revise conjunction. Children, what is conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins two words or sentences. Let's see some more examples. Conjunction means connecting word. Let's see this example. I cannot go out because it is raining. Because connect this two sentences. The word because is used to explain the reason for the first event. Okay. I cannot go out one sentence. It is raining one sentence. In this sentence, the connecting word because joining the two words. He missed the bus. He missed the bus. Another one sentence, he came late. He came late. So here they used because to connect these two sentences. She did not buy the book because she had no money. Children, in this sentence, they used conjunction so. The word so is used to explain the result of the first event. Okay. Look at the first two example. Priya was sick, so she consulted a doctor. He came late, so he missed the bus. So, children, listen. So is used to explain the result of first event. Look at the first event. What is that first event? He came late. Okay. So that result, he missed the bus. Okay. Good children. Third one. She had no money. So she did not buy the book. She had no money. So she did not buy the book. Okay children, listen. We used conjunction because for reason, so for result. Okay, because for reason, so for result we used conjunction. Okay, let's see book exercise. Match the following. Look at the first one, children. The cat was hungry. The cat was hungry. Children, result of hungry. So it ate a fish. It ate a fish. So the cat was hungry. So it ate a fish. Okay. Look at the second one. I was on leave. Children, think here we use reason or result? Yeah, reason. So the answer is I was on leave. Reason means we used because. Yeah, good. Because I had a headache. The third one, children. He was afraid of the dog. He was afraid of the dog. So the result. So he ran away. Okay. So he was afraid of the dog. So he ran away. The last one. She went home early. She went home early because she had to attend the function. She went home early because she had to attend function. Okay, children, because we used for reason, so we used for result. Okay, children, let's see the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct connecting word. Okay, children, here we used conjunction because or so. Are you ready? Good. Look at the first one. He ate 2 chocolates. Result of 8 chocolates, he got cough. So, he ate 2 chocolates, so he got cough. Look at the second sentence. The rat ran fast. The rat ran fast because reason, okay, because a cat was chasing it. A cat was chasing it, okay. Then third one, he missed his purse. Think, children, what did you use? He missed his purse, so he was sad. Very good. He missed his purse. Result of missing his purse, he was sad. Okay, so he was sad. Okay, good. Tom left the class. Tom left the class as he was sick. Tom left the class because he was sick. Okay, and the last one, he lost the key. He lost the key as he could not open his room. Children, can you find the answer? He lost the key, so he couldn't open his room. Good. Children, complete this exercise in your book.